Have you noticed how scary story channels are taking over YouTube and TikTok? Some creators gain 30,000 plus subscribers in months, with videos hitting hundreds of thousands or even millions of views. And they're making thousands monthly from this niche. But unlike typical horror animations, these videos are based on true events, real mysteries, disappearances, eerie conspiracies, and supernatural encounters, told with emotion, tension, and realism that keep viewers hooked till the end. The problem? Creating them usually takes hours. Finding stories, writing scripts, recording voiceovers, editing clips, syncing music, and adding effects across multiple tools. What if you could skip all that? That's where Clippie AI comes in. It lets you create viral, scary videos in just a few clicks. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use Clippie AI to make the same high-retention scary stories taking over right now. Make sure you watch this video to the very end so you don't miss any step. Let's get started. The first step is coming up with strong video ideas. If you're already into real mysteries, eerie conspiracies, or supernatural encounters, great, you're ahead. But if you don't want to spend hours researching or brainstorming, let AI handle it. I've made this super easy. I created a Google Doc filled with prompts that instantly generate unique scary story ideas and high-retention scripts. These prompts are tailored for the scary storytelling niche. So instead of getting dull, generic ideas, you'll get sharp, mysterious, and attention-grabbing concepts. The link's in the description below. Check it out after this video. And if you're still watching, that means you're serious about learning this craft. So do me a quick favor, hit that like button. It helps push this video to more creators and supports the channel so I can keep making tutorials like this for you. Alright, let's move on. Head over to the Google Doc and copy the video idea prompt. Once you've done that, open your favorite AI text generator. For this tutorial, we'll be using ChatGPT. Simply paste the prompt into ChatGPT. And before you hit enter, make one small edit. Add the number of video ideas or titles you want ChatGPT to generate. Then just click enter. In just a few seconds, ChatGPT will produce a list of engaging video ideas, each one tailored to the scary story niche, complete with a short summary so you understand what each video idea is about. And here's the good part. If you don't like any of the ideas you get the first time, just type, "Give me more." ChatGPT will instantly generate brand new, unique, and more refined ideas. Take a moment to go through the list and choose the story that feels the most interesting or cinematic to you. This will be the foundation of your video. Now that we've chosen our video idea or title, the next step is to create an engaging script that keeps viewers watching until the very end. Go back to the Google Doc and copy the script prompt from there. Then open ChatGPT again and paste the prompt inside the chat box. Before you generate the script, make a couple of quick edits. First, tell ChatGPT how long you want your video to be. For example, 1 minute, 3 minutes, or 5 minutes. Then type in the video idea number you selected earlier so the AI knows exactly which topic to focus on. After that, simply hit enter. In just a few seconds, ChatGPT will create a complete storytelling script, already structured to hook viewers right at the beginning, build suspense in the middle, and end with a strong, memorable conclusion that encourages viewers to keep watching. Now it's time to create your scary story video in Clippie AI with just a few clicks. Head over to Clippie AI using the link in the video description. Click Get Started and log in, and you will be presented with Clippie AI dashboard. Click on the creepy cartoon template. This will open the script section, where you have two options. You can either paste your own script, or you can use Clippie's AI script writer to generate a script automatically. Since we already created our script earlier, go back to ChatGPT, copy the completed script, and then return to Clippie AI and paste it into the script box. Below the script field, you'll see Act Styles. These styles control how your video will look and feel. For the scary story niche, the best choice here is Dark Cartoon Style, version 2, because it gives your visuals a mysterious, eerie, and cinematic atmosphere that performs extremely well on TikTok and YouTube Shorts. Once that's selected, click Next to move to the voice section. Here, Clippie gives you a wide range of voiceover options. You can preview each voice to see how it sounds, and choose the one that matches the tone of your story. Below, you'll notice some extra settings: stability and similarity. You can fine-tune these settings using the sliders, depending on the mood you want. You'll also see video pace, where you can select either normal or fast. For most storytelling videos, normal pace works best because it lets the suspense build naturally. Once everything is set, click Generate Scenes. Clippie AI will now begin creating visuals that match your script line by line. This usually takes a few minutes, so just give it a moment. When it's done, your scenes will be ready. In the scene section, you can review and refine every detail of your scenes. If there's a scene you don't like, simply click Regenerate to create a new version. You can rewrite the visual description, change the atmosphere, or add new elements to make the scene fit the exact tone of your story. Next, we'll animate the scenes into short video clips. Most videos in this niche use still images, which can be less engaging, but we'll make ours come alive using Clippie AI. That's what makes it stand out. Select or hold the image you want to animate and save it to your device. Then open Clippie AI in another browser tab, go to Tool, and click on AI Playground. This will let you animate your image into a video clip. Open Settings and choose your options. For the model, select CDance 1.0 Pro. It's the best one for animated cartoon videos. Leave the generation mode set to text to video. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16. Choose the highest resolution and set the duration to 3 or 5 seconds. When that's done, upload the image you saved and enter a simple prompt like animate the character. Click Generate, and the AI will start animating your scene. Once the animation is complete, download the video to your device. Go back to your scary story project and replace the still image with the new animated video. Repeat the same process for the rest of your scenes until your entire scenes has been animated. Click Next to move to the background section. Here, Clippie AI provides a wide selection of background tracks for storytelling and atmospheric content. Scroll through the options and preview them until you find something that matches the tone of your story. You also have the option to upload your own music. If you already have a track you like, then you have sliders here that allow you to adjust the music volume so it supports the narration without overpowering it, and change playback speed to match the pacing of your story. Next, choose a transition style for how scenes flow into each other. For this niche, I will go with smooth transitions. You'll also see toggles for particles and sound effects, which can add subtle movement and atmosphere to the video. This helps make the visuals feel more alive and haunting. Once your background audio and transitions are set, click Next to move into the caption section. Choose a caption style from the options provided. You can also adjust the caption settings like the font, size, position, color, and whether the text appears in uppercase for more dramatic impact. Take your time with this part and make sure your captions are clear, readable, and match the tone of your story. Once your captions look the way you want, click Export. Give your project a name, then click Render Video. Clippie AI will now process the final version of your scary story video. After a few moments, your video will be complete and ready to download. Now let's take a look at our final result.
Did you know the CIA once ran secret experiments to control people's minds? It started in the early 1950s, deep in the Cold War, when paranoia ran wild. The CIA feared the Soviets had discovered a way to brainwash prisoners. So America decided to fight back with its own weapon of the mind. Under a project called MK-Ultra, doctors were ordered to test LSD, hypnosis, and sensory torture on ordinary people. Many of them never even knew they were test subjects. One man, a biochemist named Frank Olson, began asking questions after witnessing what the project was really doing. Days later, he fell from a New York hotel window.
If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, subscribe for more, and drop any question you have in the comment section.